हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. मी ऋतुजा लावरे महाराष्ट्र मीडिया या आमच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप या शैक्षणिक चळवळीचे सन्माननीय सदस्य झाले नसाल तर आत्ताच महाराष्ट्र मीडिया चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 8 सायन्स चॅप्टर नंबर 10 सेल अँड सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स क्वेश्चन बुक्स. ओके सॉरी, टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन्स अँड आन्सर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आहे हू एम आय. ओके, सो ए आहे आय एम ATP प्रोड्युसिंग फॅक्टरी. आन्सर आहे मायटोकॉन्ड्रिया. बी आहे आय एम अ सिंगल लेयर्ड बट मेंटेन सेल्युलर ऑस्मॅटिक प्रेशर. आन्सर आहे व्हॅक्युअल. सी आहे आय एम सपोर्ट द सेल. I support the cell but I am not cell wall. I have body resembling net. Answer आहे endoplasmic reticulum. D आहे I am chemical factory of the cell. Answer आहे chloroplast. In case of plant cells can be called chemical factory as they synthesize carbohydrates. Ribosomes also synthesize proteins, so those can also be called chemical factory. Golgi complex is secretory in function. Hence it has been also called factory. Mitochondria, though mainly referred to as a powerhouse of the cell, it is also mentioned as a chemical factory by some authors. E आहे leaves are green because of me. Answer is chloroplast. Question 2 आहे what would have happened if. A आहे RBCs have had mitochondria. Answer बघूया आपण. Mitochondria continuously carry out oxidation. Mitochondria continuously carry out oxidation and form energy inside the cell. They produce energy-rich compound ATP. In this process, they utilize carbohydrates, fats, and proteins present in the cell. If RBCs has mitochondria, they will have used oxygen for this purpose, then carrying it all the cells of the body. The cells would not have obtained oxygen. B आहे there had been no difference between mitochondria and plastids. Answer आहे mitochondria carry out oxidation of carbohydrates, fats and etc. With the help of enzymes, plastids are synthesizing carbohydrates with the help of solar energy and chlorophyll. Both the cell organelles have their own sets of different enzymes as per their role. If there would have been no difference between mitochondria and plastids, the specific functions would not have been taken place. Genes had been absent on the chromosomes. Answer आहे genes are functional segment on the chromosomes which are responsible for transmitting the hereditary information. D आहे plasma membrane had not been selectively permeable. Answer selectively permeable membrane allows some substances to enter the cell while prevents other unwanted or harmful substances. If plasma membrane would not have been selectively permeable, there would be no control over entry and exit of any substances. The process of osmosis would also be erroneous in such a case. E आहे plants lacked anthocyanin. Answer आहे if plants lacked anthocyanin, no part of the plant will display purple or blue color. Anthocyanin attracts the insect for pollination and seed dispersal. These processes will be affected due to lack of anthocyanin. These pigments are also said to be protective in nature for the plant. This protection will not be given to the plant in absence of anthocyanin. Question number 3 आहे who is odd man among us? Give the reason. So A आहे nucleolus, mitochondria, plastids, endoplasmic reticulum. Answer आहे nucleolus. Because all the others are cell organelles but nucleolus is not a cell organelle present in cytoplasm. B आहे DNA, ribosomes, chlorophyll. Answer आहे chlorophyll because DNA and ribosomes are present in plant as well as in animal cell. Chlorophyll is present only in plant cells. Question number 4 आहे give the function. तर बघा फर्स्ट आहे इथे आपल्याला दिलेला प्लाझ्मा मेम्ब्रेन आहे. बघा प्लाझ्मा मेम्ब्रेन. तर फंक्शन बघूया आपण आता. प्लाझ्मा मेम्ब्रेन acts as a selectively permeable membrane. It allows entry of those useful substances which are needed for the cell. It does not allow entry of the harmful and unwanted substances. Plasma membrane keeps the homeostasis in the cell. The cell is kept in a steady state even if the external environment changes. Plasma membrane is responsible for processes of endocytosis and exocytosis. The processes of diffusion and osmosis are possible only due to the plasma membrane. In animal cell, plasma membrane is the outermost protective covering of the cell. B आहे cytoplasm. All the cell organelles are spread in the cytoplasm of the cell. All the cell organelles are spread in the cytoplasm of the cell. The cytoplasm is the medium for many cellular chemical reactions. The cytosol, which is the part of cytoplasm other than cell organelles, stores many vital substances like amino acids, glucose, vitamins, etc. Cytosol also helps in the cellular movements. Then lysosome. So this is the structure of lysosome. Okay. So let's see the function of lysosome. Lysosome helps in the destructions of attacking viruses and bacteria and thereby help in the immune response. Lysosomes acts as a demolition squads. They destroy worn out cellular organelles and organic debris. This process is called as autolysis, which is all a Pages means self-destructions. They are also called as suicide bags, as in the worn out, damaged or old cell. Lysosomes automatically burst. The lactic enzymes present in the lysosome digest their own cells. Lysosomes can digest stored proteins, fats during the starvations. Next is the vacuole. So let's see the function of vacuole. Vacuole maintain the osmotic pressure of the cell. Various metabolic byproducts and end products such as the glycogen, proteins, water, etc. are stored in the lysosomes. In a food vacuole of amoeba, the food is temporarily stored in digestion till digestion. In other animal cells, vacuoles can store waste products and food. Vacuoles of plant cells can provide turgidity and rigidity as it contains good amount of cell sap. E आहे nucleus. So this is the structure of nucleus. आन्सर आहे फंक्शन बघूया आपण न्यूक्लियसचे. आन्सर न्यूक्लियस इज द कंट्रोलिंग सेंटर फॉर द एंटायर सेल. इट कंट्रोल्स ऑल मेटाबॉलिक activities of the cell. The cell division is possible due to the nucleus. The chromosomes present in the nucleus carry the genes. These genes are responsible for the transmission of hereditary characters from parental generation to the next generation. Question number 5 आहे who give me the color. Select the correct option. तर बघा इथे कॉलम ए आहे, कॉलम बी आहे. रेड टोमॅटो, लाइकोपीन, ग्रीन लीफ, क्लोरोफिल, कॅरेट, कॅरोटीन अँड व्हायलेट अँथोसायनिन. ओके. तर अशा प्रकारे इथे हा जो आपला चॅप्टर होता, चॅप्टर नंबर 10 सेल अँड सेल ऑर्गनेल्स, याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर संपलेले आहेत. सो थँक्यू सो मच स्टुडंट्स. कीप वॉचिंग महाराष्ट्र मीडिया.